Hello students, this is lecture 3. In this lecture we learn about section formula. So what is a section formula? The basic idea is, suppose we have 2 points, there is a line joining these 2 points. This is P and this is Q. Let R be any point which divide this line PQ into 2 parts, okay, into suppose M and N ratio. Then what is the coordinate of, question is, the section formula address is what is the coordinate of R. Okay, so this is the question that section formula addresses. Okay, so let's start with, let Px1 y1 and Q x2 y2 be 2 points, and let R x0 y0 be a point be the point at which the line PQ is divided in m:n ratio. Okay, so P and Q are 2 points. R is a point which divides the line PQ in m:n ratio. Then coordinate of R is defined as x0 comma y0 is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so if I suppose this is P, this is Q, how to remember this formula? Suppose this is R. Okay, this divides into m:n ratio. The coordinates are x2 y2 and here it is x1 y1, and multiply this m with the coordinates of Q and multiplied n with the coordinates of P. So this is how you should remember the formula. Okay, now there are several cases. Problems we'll discuss in a separate video. Okay, there is a separate suppose 3-4 videos for discussing the problems. So if suppose if R is the midpoint, then coordinates of R is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Why? Because if R is a midpoint, then the ratio m:n is nothing but 1:1. So you can apply it in the previous formula, you can see it. Okay, now come to another point. Let R divides PQ in k:1 ratio. What does that means? Means k is the ratio. Okay, finding the value of k is same as finding the value of ratio. What is the ratio in which R divides PQ? Okay, So that particular thing can be addressed as k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so this is how you address it. In the next video we will discuss about external division. Till then,